Howdy guys, in today's mini series on basic shapes, we're going to be looking at the triangle shape, and this will be for the CAD feature within FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, if we head into the program here, now the triangle shape is rather simple in many ways. It's maybe as complex as the oblong, but yeah, in order to do that, I'm just going to select this little triangle icon next the fourth shape on our basic shapes, and then we zoom out there, click that, and now we have three different options here. So if we go in a little preview, we can see we've got the W, which is the width, we've got H, which is height of the triangle, and then we've got the A, which is basically the angle. So I'm going to quickly just set up a basic thing here. Let's make the height a little bit shorter than the width, so I'm going to go about 80, and then we make the width 100. I'm going to leave the angle the same, say OK, and then we want to go to positioning, select that, and then it will also position our shape with the 0 being in the center. So there we go, we've got a basic triangle. Now you can obviously use this as a building block. Let's say I could go now, we do the same thing, we go 80, 100, and then make this 180. Then I can make a simple star over here just by adding these two triangles. So it's a quick way of making shapes. Now obviously for design reasons, you just really want the star without all these intersections. But if you want to use this as a quick reference or guide, then it also makes it simple so you can quickly find the origin points of where you want to place your actual final line. Maybe you create it with a polyline or something on that line. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the triangle. It is pretty simple, straightforward. If you've used all these ones, then it will make more sense. Like I said, anything to keep in mind is obviously the calculation of the width versus height, which gets a bit more tricky. But yeah, otherwise in the meanwhile though, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not however find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.